Want big triceps that actually make your arms look massive? Stop wasting time on random workouts. These 5 brutal tricep exercises target all 3 heads for insane size, strength, and sleeve stretching growth. Let's get started.
Reverse push-ups. Reverse push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises for activating the triceps before heavier movements. The reverse hand position naturally forces your elbows to stay closer to the body, increasing tricep involvement while also slightly hitting the inner chest and front delts. This movement is excellent for beginners because it builds pressing strength and improves elbow stability without requiring equipment. Focus on lowering yourself slowly for around 2 to 3 seconds, then press up explosively while fully locking out the elbows. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. The biggest mistake people make is flaring their elbows outward, which shifts tension away from the triceps and into the chest. Another mistake is doing half reps. Use full range of motion and controlled tempo to maximize muscle tension and blood flow into the triceps before the workout begins. French press. The standing French press is one of the best exercises for building overall tricep mass, especially the long head, which gives the arms that thick, hanging look from the side. Because the arms are overhead, the triceps experience a deep, loaded stretch that is extremely effective for hypertrophy. Hold a dumbbell with both hands, keep your elbows tight, and lower the weight slowly behind your head for about 3 seconds before pressing back upward explosively. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. The most common mistake is letting the elbows flare too wide, which reduces tension on the triceps and can strain the shoulders. Another mistake is using excessive weight and shortening the range of motion. Full stretch and controlled negatives are the key to growth here. Focus on feeling the stretch at the bottom.
Overhead dumbbell tricep extension. The overhead dumbbell tricep extension is one of the most effective isolation exercises for targeting the long head of the triceps. Since the arms stay overhead throughout the movement, the muscle remains under constant stretch and tension, which is excellent for muscle growth. Hold the dumbbell securely with both hands. Lower it slowly behind your head for 2 to 3 seconds. Then, extend the arms upward with control. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps with controlled speed. The most common mistake is rushing the movement and using momentum instead of controlled tension. Another mistake is only lowering the dumbbell halfway, which removes the deep stretch that makes this exercise so effective. Keep your elbows stable and close together throughout the set. Focusing on slow negatives and full extension will create far more tricep activation and help build fuller, more aesthetic arms over time. Dumbbell kickbacks. Dumbbell kickbacks are one of the best finishing exercises for creating a strong tricep squeeze and improving arm definition. While this movement is not ideal for heavy overload, it is excellent for isolating the lateral head of the triceps and creating that detailed horseshoe appearance. Lean forward with a flat back, Keep your elbow fixed beside your torso and extend the dumbbell backward until the arm fully locks out. Hold the contraction briefly before lowering slowly for 2 to 3 seconds. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps with lighter weight and strict form. The biggest mistake is swinging the arm or using momentum, which removes tension from the triceps. Another mistake is letting the elbow move around during the set. The elbow should stay fixed in one position. Focus on controlled motion and maximum squeeze at the top for the best muscle activation. Tricep dips. Tricep dips are great for building stronger and thicker triceps at home. Place your hands on a chair or bench beside your hips, slide your body forward, and lower yourself by bending your elbows before pushing back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps with slow and controlled movement. Avoid going too low if you feel shoulder discomfort, as excessive range of motion can stress the joints. Another common mistake is flaring the elbows too much. Keep your elbows controlled and close to your body. Tricep dips improve arm strength, endurance, and overall upper body pushing power effectively.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually gets results. Consistency beats everything, so stick to these exercises and track your progress. Drop a comment with your favorite shoulder move or what you want next.